हेलो, आज मैं डॉट प्रोडक्ट में वेक्टर का एक टॉपिक डॉट प्रोडक्ट, जिसकी एक खास प्रॉपर्टी के बारे में बता रहा हूँ। इसमें क्या है, ए डॉट बी इज इक्वल टू मैग्नीट्यूड ऑफ ए मैग्नीट्यूड ऑफ बी एंगल बिटवीन देम कॉस थीटा। ये तो फॉर्मूला है। इफ़ वेक्टर बी इज इक्वल टू वेक्टर ए, देन व्हाट विल बी हैपन, ए डॉट ए, दोनों क्या हो जाएंगे, ए डॉट ए मैग्नीट्यूड ऑफ ए angle between them will be 0 degree now, because of these are two are same vectors, they are in the same direction, so angle between them will be 0 degree. So a magnitude of a into magnitude of a whole square, and this value is 1. So this very important formula will be used while solving the question of dot product. This is the most important formula. If you square any of the vector, that means a dot a, that means a dot a, and a dot a will be always equal to magnitude of a whole square. अब इस प्रॉपर्टी पे एक क्वेश्चन लेते हैं. इफ द सम ऑफ टू यूनिट वेक्टर is a unit vector, show that the difference of the magnitude of their difference, the magnitude of their difference is root 3. So what is given? Sum of two unit vector is a unit vector. So let vector A is a unit vector, vector B is again a unit vector. Unit vector means magnitude is 1, and the magnitude of their sum is also 1. So now what we have to prove? We have to prove the magnitude of their difference is root 3. This part you have to prove. So now first take the given term modulus of the magnitude of a plus b, vector a plus vector b, whole square of it can be written with the help of this property, a plus b dot a plus b. And now open this with the help of dot product, a dot a plus a dot b plus b dot a plus b dot b. We have to multiply term to term, a dot a, then a dot b, then b dot a, b dot b. We know a dot b is always equal to b dot a. So therefore these two results are same. So therefore this can be written as, with the help of this property, magnitude of a whole square plus 2 times a dot b plus magnitude of b whole square, first equation. Or you can write it, this magnitude is 1, it is 1 square plus 2 times a dot b plus 1 square. Or you can say 1 plus 1 2 plus 2 a dot b vector a dot vector b, that is your first equation. So now here, now calculate the second part of it. Similarly we can write a magnitude of a minus b whole square, that can be written as, with the help of this formula again, this will be a minus b dot a minus b. Open these, this will be a dot a minus a dot b minus b dot a plus b dot b. This part can be written as magnitude of a whole square, and these are equal, so that this result will be double. 2 times A dot B plus this result is magnitude of B whole square. So now this result is 1 square minus 2 times A dot B plus 1 square. That will be 2 times minus 2 times A dot B. Suppose this is second equation. Adding these two equations, adding equation 1 and 2. So what will be happen? Your left hand side is A plus B magnitude whole square, A minus B magnitude whole square. This will be equal to 2 plus 2, it is 4. These two terms will be cancelled out. This term and this term will be cancelled out on adding. This result is given to you 1 square A minus B, vector A minus vector B and magnitude of it whole square is equal to 4. So that A minus B, magnitude of A minus B whole square will be equal to 4 minus 1, that is 3. So that A minus B magnitude of this part will be equal to root 3, hence proved. अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आए तो इसको लाइक कीजिएगा और सब्सक्राइब कीजिए. थैंक यू वेरी मच.